Honda's first electric motorcycle leaked before they wanted us to see it. And these new design images we've found confirm this isn't just another concept, this is the production version that's about to hit the market. Let's break down Honda's first step into the electric motorcycle world, the EV Fun. Right away, you'll notice the obvious signs that this is production ready. A license plate holder, turn signals, reflectors above the front brake calipers, all the road legal necessities that were not on the concept bike. Up front, the headlight is noticeably larger. The initial squared off design is gone. Now we've got Honda's horizontal visor light bar plus stacked LEDs above and below it. Behind that, a new flyscreen covering a rectangular TFT display, replacing the concept's circular gauge. The bodywork itself has been reshaped too, softening some of the sharp edges and covering more of the battery casing. And for the first time, we're seeing a peek at the motor, just ahead of the foot pegs. Now this part's huge. The fork looks a lot like the 41mm Showa SFF BP setup, found on the CB500F. Paired with dual radial mount 4-piston calipers, this is a bike you can ride, and it sure is a bike you can stop. Because there's no exhaust system, the view of that single-sided swing arm is completely unobstructed. It's matched to a 5-spoke wheel design and belt drive with added covers for protection. Pretty classy, Honda. Here's what we don't know yet: battery specs, range updates, and motor performance. The EV Fun concept was claimed to have over 100 kilometers of cruising range with CCS2 quick charging, but Honda hasn't confirmed if that holds true for the production model. And here's something: the name, EV Fun. It's fun, oh it is fun, but that probably won't be the official name, and Honda hasn't filed any obvious trademarks to give us a clue of what the official name will be. So there it is, Honda's first electric motorcycle caught red-handed, caught in 4K, before GTA 6. What do you guys think of this thing? Leave a comment down below and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the full reveal when Honda makes it official on September 2nd.